Good morning from Chessington Adventures, where it's Howl O Ween. We're here to cover the event, so enjoy this video. In fact, come join us for some spectacular offerings, and we're doing trick or treat tales today. Today's extra, let's show you what's here for Chessington Halloween 2025. So, here at Chessington is that they have got park-wide audio to do with Halloween around the park. Of course, me and Jake, first thing we're going to do today, keeping kind of on a bit of a theme, we're going to go and do Tomb Blaster. Once you're good at Tomb Blaster, you know yourself. I just got my highest score of the season on that. 151,950. I think I'm too good at it. Oops. Keeping the team, I'm going to go do crotch chop, raise the drop, release the go. Crop drop here at Chessington, and what's the advantage is this one can go on that as well, as long as he's secure on the jumper. Front row single rider, I did not say no to that one. Bonus, mind your mayhem. Huge shout out to your staff there, and they were checking for glasses shots, which I do appreciate. This little one got to ride Manager Mayhem on the front row. We are now going to head round the corner to the first experience today we have got here for Halloween. It is new for this year. It's called Stone Watches. This is a scare zone you can actually walk through. You can take cameras through. I'm going to do this twice, both early on for the younger kids and later on this evening for the old ones.
Our villagers were eaten by the vampire, and he's guarded by a group of stone gargoyles.
It's short. I need to probably have another run through it later, but it's definitely really short now. And it's not really much. I think because last year they did Var Villages, which was a bit longer, it made more sense. That was definitely a little bit shorter. I don't know what it is this year for the Stone Watchers. Yeah, I think I'm going maybe need like all the pumpkins down here in the Wildwood. A vampire. No red water there. Jake and now heading down to the Enchanted Hollow. This is not charged as parcels. We have paid £8 to do this. I did this last year. It wasn't too bad actually, in my opinion anyway. I didn't find it too bad. So let's go and give Enchanted Hollow a go. I know I can't film in here, but I'll give you my full review. I've just come out of Enchanted Hollow here at Chessington. Now it's £8. So many people have been saying, oh, it's not worth doing, it's not worth the money, save money. We paid £8 and we have got quite a few sweets in there.
Hypnotize minds and control his people. After 5,000 years, I have been awoken. You won't stop me from escaping into the outside world.
Watch the Rising Flame show there in the middle of Venture Point. I'm going to put in the highlights because obviously I want to keep it spoiler free as possible. There will be a full video link to the whole show in the description box down below. It was pretty good. There was a couple of moments there, it was a little bit jumpy. Obviously, if you have got a sensory issue, you might just be stand further back. There is a very, very strong scent at one point, so that's what I will say. I'm not really good about Chessington for that. I'm going to go see what merchandise is available and then catch up with you. Got here lots of spooky plushies, including bad boxes. So we're now going to catch up with this video. Obviously I've been doing some rides and small bits off camera. We are now sitting by the main stage, about to catch the 3:30 showing of Spectacular. This is the new show on the main stage for this year's Howl O Ween. I'm looking forward to actually catching this up and search for highlights in the vlog. There will be obviously a full video at some point coming out from that, and we're going to go.
Oh, it's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so. It's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so. Fell on you, and now you're gone. So I fell on you, and it was wrong. So strong. Your mediocre spells can't break my cast 'cause of all the wind is working. You're the worst. I fell on you, and now you're gone. Bubbling elixirs will charm you and make you feel spellbound. When you're spectacular, you're the best sorcerer around. Potions they fizz and sparkles they fly. Yeah, you can't escape the magic of Humble High. Of Humble
So you've just seen there some highlights from the main stage show called Spelltacular. I actually thought it was a really good show. To be honest, I love all the originality with the songs. The fact they changed some of the lyrics to those classic songs such as Black Magic. I put Sterling's ones in there as well. I love that whole interaction side, including interactive element with the audience as well. Really, really good. Now, I'm going to go and back through Phone Watchers because it's now ramped up a little bit in terms of the scare factor. Don't know if it's going to be more actors. When I counted today, there's about 5 or 6 actors in there. I'm hoping there's a few more actors down there now. And it's also a good way to get down to the Gruffalo with my adventure. So I think I'm back inside. So, oh my god. Hi. Boo! Thank you. I should have tasted it. Hi. Hey, vampire. So scared. Thank you so much. What do you think of these?
I like it. Too bright for my liking.
Sorry. Oh my gosh, it's dark down here. It's dark. I do not like this. It is dark. I do like my light up lasers though, and they are going to have an absolute storm this year during the Halloween event. I would say though, of the 7 scare zones I've done, that is probably the weakest. My favourite is still down at Fort Park, and that is the Groves. With I would say Dark Horror in second place. Anyway, up to the
Paths to the stroll through the deep, dark wood.
Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my tree top.
It's Gruffalo. So I enjoyed my ride down the Gruffalo. You saw some highlights there in the video. And I'm now heading down towards what is my final show at Chessington. It is the Barnyard Boogie. It takes place on the lawns just as you're coming in the park, right near the Room on the Broom, to be honest.
Let's scare those crows today then. Alright, on 3 then. A 1, a 2, a 3!
Oh, the crows are back!
Oh, again!
Walk with us into something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
If there's something weird and it don't look good, that's who you're gonna call.
Ghostbusters!
Here we go!
The left, then a step to the right.
Put your hands on your head.
Bring your knees in tight. It's a silly stroll, drives you insane. Let's do the time warp
So
again.
I've just included there some highlights from the Barnyard Boogie show, which is obviously you got loads of classics in a Monster Smash, Ghostbusters, Time Warp, for example, all like Costume Western versions. Again, I love the whole originality there from Chessington Howl O Ween and entertainment team. They've done really well this year in terms of entertainment across the park. This year at Chessington, they have done really well. Like the show's fantastic. The walkthrough I did earlier, that was really good. The scare zone, it needs work. That's the only thing I will say. It's the only thing, in my opinion, that is the weakest thing here for Halloween. And that's my opinion anyway. And right now, Mind Your Mayhem to end our vlog here from Chessington Howl O Ween Halloween. My final thoughts. The scare zone this year, it needs work. Definitely needs work. Having obviously done Bar Villages and other scare zones here at Chessington, it's definitely the weakest one there is. The trick-or-treating at Chessington this year, people say, oh, it's not worth money, it's not worth money. In my opinion, go in there, open minded, go and do it. So he goes, as for the Rise in the Dark, Chessington, you hit the nail on the head.